Hello everybody, this is Super Italian Bros me, and today I'm gonna be reacting to Luigi's Your Fridge. I know it was made 2 years ago. I remember when he finally uploaded a new video, but we're just gonna be reacting to it because I realized how short it is. It is, if you can even see, 8 minutes and 43 seconds. So let's just get on to the reaction to it. I know I usually react to videos downstairs, because I realize how terrible it is to react to videos on screen record because you can't, like, hear me very good. And I can actually adjust the volume correctly. So, we're just going to be reacting to it up here for now. Because I have a little construction going on downstairs. Not really construction, but just some things going on downstairs. Anyways, we are going to react to Luigi's Your Fridge by Chaos Emerald Star. Make sure to go subscribe to him. Please subscribe to me. But still, subscribe to Chaos Emerald Star. And let's get on with the reaction. In 3, 2, 1. If there's an ad, I swear. I'm getting ready to pause if there's an ad. Yup, there's an ad. Alright, I skipped it. Let's go. Chaos Emerald Star, obviously. It's turned up a little bit. So he's installing the fridge. Oh, and just a quick note, guys. In my one video, I forget which reaction video it was obviously a Chaos Emerald Star. Oh yes, your Baby Mario's Coca-Cola problem. What someone said, thank you for telling me, to stop shaking the camera on purpose. So from now and forever, for my reaction videos, I will never shake the camera like this. Like, you know, like the one video I was turning the camera off so much. I won't do that anymore, so just had to get that out.
Just some alone time with the fridge, me, and some girls.
I doubt it.
Yeah. What do you think you're doing? My fridge!
I love that.
Your fridge. I'm not going to install it.
Why does he have to be dabbing?
Honey, use the fridge. Don't use it on the weekend.
Why?
But I swear, if you open it, understood?
Oh my god. Luigi, your breath smells like Doritos.
I swear, these aren't gonna be you and me. Let that door closed, huh?
Okay, Friday. So Mario can use the fridge.
Excuse me, what day is it?
Friday.
It's Friday.
Exactly. It's Friday the 13th.
Uh-huh.
Oh, crap.
Here you go, buddy.
Here's the it explodes. Saturday. Mario's going to use the fridge, isn't he? I knew it. Oh my god, he's up there.
What makes you think you can go to my fridge on a weekend? Isn't the weekend already? All the time goes by so
Mario,
fast.
are you dumb? Or, I mean, I know he's trying to, like, I know he's like trying to fake, like he forgets that it's the weekend or something, but he looked at you saw him, he looked at the whiteboard and noticed that it was Saturday.
But so did you. Hey, look at me.
It's like Christmas, it's Christmas sprites.
And I cook these.
What the? Wait, that's diet tea. Look, guys, it's diet tea. If you can even see it, there, diet tea.
Hello.
You want to react to the video with me?
Sure. I mean,
It's-
I was in the middle of watching a video, but sure.
All right, let's watch it.
Hey, Luigi, why is it wearing a tie?
Wait, if Mario can't open the fridge, but Luigi
Don't ask
can,
questions. Scram.
Mario can just ask Luigi to get a
I
drink
said
for him.
scram. Okay.
Mario can just ask Luigi to get a drink for him, so Mario doesn't have to open it. That's kind of like Spider-Man Into the Spider-Verse.
Oh yeah, it is. I think that's the same song.
The music?
Mhm.
No, it's Mario 64, I think.
And
I forget what part it is. Classified. Wait, what? Oh, it's the video, okay. What the heck? Did you see its background? It was that penguin from that one movie. I hope I don't get copyright from the music.
wait, there was someone on the truck.
Yeah, there's like always a person in the background doing some random thing.
Like I think it was doing the T-pose.
Yeah.
It was doing the T-pose.
And then another one of those videos, someone was doing like a handstand with their legs split out.
What the heck? Sonic, what are you doing?
Those are all the sodas. Look at all of them on the table.
Take the shotgun.
Disclaimer, these are not real guns. If you just please YouTube don't demonetize this. They are not real guns. They're toys.
You're gonna come to the backyard. Go, 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 go.
I'm pretty nervous.
I always loved Sonic as a character.
Wait for it.
He died. And then it comes back alive in like a video. He's back. He's alive and returning to Mexico. Looks like Sonic must have just gotten what's the word? Yes.
Yes.
Yes. They aren't real. They aren't real. I don't know. I'm just afraid that this video is gonna get demonetized or something. They aren't real guns, YouTube. There's nothing.
Yo.
Phew! Popsicles.
Alright.
Booyah.
Booyah. I love. You zoomed in. Zazilia.
Bring it on, vamos.
Officer Ramos reporting.
Officer Ramos reporting for duty. That's in Baby Mario Goes to McDonald's. Their most popular video.
Mhm.
Do you see those? I wonder if Castle Star still has that
Car or truck. I don't know.
How do you say your name? I know. I wonder how you say his name correct. Isn't it like Aruto or something?
Arito.
Aruto.
Officer Ramos. But the wording for duty.
Officer Ramos reporting for duty. Oh my god.
What are they, monkey?
Isn't Ramos their last name?
I guess you have the same feeling.
I think it is.
Huh?
A lot about my wife being dead. And I still have ammo.
And I still have ammo. Yoshi!
What's that?
I'm your worst nightmare.
That's their dad. That's their dad.
How do you know?
It looks like their dad, like with the hair on his.
I'm your worst nightmare. Wait, what, honey? Good night, streaks forever. Good night, streaks forever.
Oh, I'm giving you a call.
Look
I
at
like
the
its
phone
phone
case.
case.
I
Yeah,
was gonna say.
I need you to know that.
What do you mean there's a bomb? Luigi, you gotta explain what's going on.
Run away with the fire. It's for the safety of the public.
Oh god.
Just letting you know, it's always the fridge. It's just the fridge.
Did he die?
Luigi? Luigi!
Wait, maybe the bomb blew up and he died.
Maybe.
Oh wait,
Nice truck.
okay. I think it's a car.
Luigi!
What the heck?
I think that's where their house was. Or
Wait, where did they even go? Where's their house? Did they actually like?
the fridge.
Wait, the fridge said on the paper it says Luigi owns this fridge and
Wait,
Mario.
Luigi, you're alive!
Hi.
Wow.
Of course I'm alive.
Wow. Wow. This is amazing. I don't know. I thought you were dead.
But see, I watched this old movie called Indiana Jones. And I was all like, what if I do that? And I did that.
Oh, you're a genius, Luigi.
Of course I am. Wow.
Of course I am.
Nothing like a nuclear bomb to make you thirsty, huh? Oops. Can you bring me a towel from upstairs? Oh.
Is that? And then they moved, I think. Rip.
Oh yeah, they moved to a different house because of this video. So I think they were planning on to move
Well, thank you all for watching.
before they made this video.
Thank you all for watching this video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and go subscribe to Caster Mudstar.
And subscribe to my channel.
He is my favorite plush YouTuber of all time.
Subscribe to my channel, IG Girl.
He was the one who made me want to. Please, he's the one that made me start my YouTube channel. So subscribe to him, and I'll see you all back.